a simple subselect, any or some with subselects. A subselect comparison test uses the same 6 operators: equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal, discussed previously. In many relational database systems, any and some are synonymous in meaning and perform the same functions. Therefore, we will use any in our descriptions, and it is understood that some serves the same purpose. The any and some operators return a true value when at least one row in a subselect matches the value comparison. The any and some operators return a false value when no rows in a subselect match the value comparison, or when a subselect returns an empty result table. The any and some operators return a null value when any rows in a subselect are null. Then the operator evaluates to null, not true or false. Here is a sample format showing the keywords any or some before the nested subselect. The comparison less than any is the same as column function less than max or maximum. The expression greater than any is the same as column function greater than min or minimum. Please pause this presentation to study the details. Here is an example. We wish to get the employee ID and employee name from the employee table that is less than any or some rep in the customer table. The subselect finds the rep value from the customer table and passes this value to the outer select for processing. The outer select searches for all rows where employee ID in the employee table is less than any rep returned by the subselect. Since the greatest rep value is E004, then any rep means less than E004. As you can see, any or some is of limited value and is therefore rarely used. Column functions of less than max and greater than min are easier to understand. Please pause this presentation to study the details. We hope you found this information useful. Please come visit us at computerbasedtraininginc.com for courses with more examples and labs where you create and execute complete commands.